Hello everyone. Here's a quick video on an eBay issue. A lot of people want to know how to contact the seller on eBay, and I'm gonna show you real quick how to contact the seller. Okay, here's your eBay account here. See, let's type in something. To find a seller. Okay, we do floor jacks and open that up. Okay. Here's a guy that's selling floor jacks. If you have a question for him, you go right here. You can see the mouse moving around right here where it says contact seller. Open that up. Then here you have a number of questions you might have a seller. Details about the item, shipping, combined shipping, pay for item, returns, or other. Say you hit those five. Don't ask the question that you're seeking. So just hit other, then you hit contact seller, and type in a topic. I put color, and I put maybe does the floor jack come in another color? Question mark. So you have that there. You get your questions in, scroll down. Then you got to put a secret number in there to get the question through and make sure that you are affiliated with eBay. And then you hit the send button. And you just sent the question off. You're waiting on a reply. It's just that easy. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And also, I have a lot of other videos. Hit the subscribe button. Thank you. I'm out.